Hi there! Today, I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a professional booking website for your cleaning business using Trafft. Whether you're just starting out or planning to grow, you'll see how fast your business can go online and how Trafft gives you everything you need in one place. Let's dive in. We'll start by creating our Trafft account and logging in. The first step is setting up our business profile. Let's name it SparklePro Cleaning. Here we are in our Trafft dashboard. Let's first add our San Diego location in Company Settings and enter our contact email in Account Settings. This gives our booking page a professional look and ensures clients know how to reach us. Next, let's create service categories. SparklePro offers two main categories: residential cleaning and commercial cleaning. Under residential cleaning, we'll add standard home cleaning, ideal for weekly or monthly bookings. We'll also set the duration and the price of the service. Here you can also select the employees you want to assign this service to. We'll get back to this shortly when we create our employees in Trafft. Under residential cleaning, we'll also add deep cleaning, a detailed seasonal service. And under commercial cleaning, we'll add office cleaning, tailored for businesses of all sizes. With services ready, it's time to add our team. We'll create profiles for Anna, Brian, and Carlos. Each employee can be assigned specific services and working hours, so clients only book when they're available. As you can see here, if you don't assign any service to your employee, Trafft will mark that employee as unavailable. Now let's customize our booking page. Under the General tab, we'll add a page title and description. Next, we'll upload a cover photo, logo, and favicon. We can also choose a theme and adjust colors and fonts to match our brand. With Trafft, it's easy to design a professional-looking site. No coding required. Next, we'll enable online payments by connecting Stripe or PayPal. Now we can also require deposits to secure bookings. This option is available under Service Settings. If we want, we can add extras like fridge cleaning or window washing as add-on options. You may also want to create custom fields so clients can provide details such as their address or special instructions. For example, in my cleaning business, I want customers to select the cleaning products they prefer, so I'm adding a checkbox custom field under the Customize tab. To make scheduling seamless, we'll connect Trafft with Google Calendar. This way, every new booking shows up automatically, and employees always stay in sync with their personal schedules. Trafft also lets us control the booking flow. We can set minimum notice times, add buffer periods between appointments, limit daily bookings per employee, and even manage recurring cleanings. As SparklePro grows, we can add multiple locations, like new offices across the city. Communication is automatic. Trafft sends email or SMS reminders to clients before their appointment and updates employees instantly. This reduces no-shows and keeps everyone on track. And that's it. From a free, fully functional booking website to advanced tools for payments, calendar sync, staff, locations, and reminders. Get SparklePro Cleaning online today and make booking effortless for your clients.